यह केवल एक सोच है। दिस इज जस्ट अ माइंडसेट। दिस इज जस्ट अ माइंडसेट। उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? वाई डिड ही क्वाइट द जॉब? वाई डिड ही क्वाइट द जॉब? आज तुम इतने थके हुए क्यों हो? वाई आर यू सो टायर्ड टुडे? वाई आर यू सो टायर्ड टुडे? मुझे सब पता है। आई नो एवरीथिंग। आई नो एवरीथिंग। क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? क्या कोई खास बात है? Is there anything special? Is there anything special? अपना गुस्सा मुझ पर मत निकालो। Don't take out your anger on me. Don't take out your anger on me. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to cry? What's there to cry? फोन आ रहा है। The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. अंधेरा हो रहा है। It's getting dark. It's getting dark. मैं कल से काम करूँगा। I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. इसमें ऐसा क्या खास है? What's so special in it? What's so special in it? यह किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? मैं तब से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. दोबारा कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया। I did it for you. I did it for you. मैं कल आपको फ़ोन करूँगा। I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना। Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. वो अभी अभी गया है। He has just left. He has just left. मैंने उसे बहुत कुछ कहा। I said many things to him. I said many things to him. आप तो बिल्कुल भोले हो। You are so innocent. You are so innocent. मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ। I am very happy with you. I am very happy with you. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ। I always stand by you. I always stand by you. मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रही थी। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. दरवाजे पर कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? मैं तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? पता है? You know that? You know that? ये मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. क्या तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो? Are you studying? Are you studying? क्या हाल है? What's up? What's up? पागल हो क्या? Are you mad or what? Are you mad or what? आपका दिन शुभ हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. आपकी यात्रा मंगलमय हो. Have a nice journey. Have a nice journey. दूसरा ले लो. Have another one. Have another one. धैर्य रखो. Have patience. Have patience. मस्ती करो. Have fun. Have fun. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. आपका मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? कितने मतलबी हो आप? How selfish you are. कितना बकवास है. How ridiculous. How ridiculous. मुझे इसकी आदत है. I am used to it. I am used to it. क्या टाइम हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? वहाँ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened there? What all happened there? उसके साथ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened with him? What all happened with him? उसके पास क्या है? What does he have? What does he have? उसके पास क्या क्या है? What all does he have? What all does he have? आपके पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? आपके पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? आपने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? मुझे नहीं पता क्या है ये. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. उस लड़के में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in that boy? What do you like in that boy? मुझ में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in me? What do you like in me? क्या इंसान है आप? What a person you are. What a person you are. क्या लड़की है वो? What a girl she is. What a girl she is. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? अगला टॉपिक क्या था? What was the next topic? What was the next topic? आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What's your equality? What's your equality? आप कहाँ हो? वेयर आर यू?